3D shapes.
Hello, young explorers! Welcome to our 3D Shapes adventure. Today, we're going to explore fascinating three-dimensional shapes that pop out and make our world more exciting. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the sphere.
A sphere has no edges or corners, just one continuous surface.
Sphere.
A sphere is perfectly round like a ball or a globe.
Next, say hello to the cube.
A cube has 6 equal square faces. Each face is the same size and shape.
Cube.
It looks like a box or a dice.
Now, let's explore the cylinder.
A cylinder has 2 circular faces and a curved surface.
Cylinder.
It looks like a can of soda or a roll of paper towels.
Here comes the cone.
A cone has a circular base that tapers to a point called the apex.
Cone.
It looks like an ice cream cone or a party hat.
Say hello to the rectangular prism.
A rectangular prism has 6 faces that are rectangles.
The rectangular prism.
It looks like a shoebox or a brick.
And here's the pyramid.
A pyramid has a polygonal base and triangular faces that meet at a single point called the apex.
Pyramid.
It looks like the pyramids of Egypt or a mountain peak.
Wow, these 3D shapes are so cool and different from the flat shapes we see every day. They help us understand and describe objects in our world with depth and volume.
Let's learn about shapes. Oh, what fun! 3D shapes, we'll name each one. Cube spheres and pyramids too. In the world of shapes, there's so much we can do. 3D shapes, let's explore. Cube spheres and so much more. Prisms, cylinders all around. In the world of shapes, wonders are found. A cube has 6 faces all square, like a dice, it's here and there. A sphere is round like a ball in play. It rolls and bounces every day. A cube has 6 faces all square, like a dice, it's here and there. A sphere is round like a ball in play. It rolls and bounces every day. has a point up high, with triangular faces reaching to the sky. A cylinder is round, with two circular ends, like a can of soda, it's our friend. Prisms have faces that just vertices too, like a rectangular prism for me and you. In the world of shapes, there's so much to see, with cubes, spheres, and geometry. Through 3D shapes, let's explore cubes, spheres, and so much more. Prisms, cylinders, all around. In the world of shapes, wonders are found.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching!